Struggling with kitchen chaos? Dull knives, messy prep, and tools that just don't work? It's time to upgrade. In this video, we're counting down the top 25 best kitchen gadgets. From time-saving tools to genius innovations that make cooking faster, easier, and way more fun. Whether you're a pro chef or just love great food, these gadgets will transform your kitchen game. Stick around, you won't want to miss these life-changing finds. Let's dive in. The Firerunner 2 PCS grill baskets are the perfect solution for hassle-free even grilling. Made from durable SUS 304 food-grade stainless steel, these rolling baskets feature removable wooden handles to prevent burns and a secure lid lock to keep your food in place. Ideal for vegetables, seafood, and meats, the mesh design allows for even seasoning and cooking. With a space-saving nested design for easy storage and portability, they're a must-have for camping, outdoor parties, or backyard BBQs. Enjoy effortless grilling and creative cooking with this versatile dishwasher-safe accessory. The Winter Ice Cream Maker combines style and functionality, making it perfect for creating fresh, delicious ice cream, gelato, and sorbet at home. Its self-cooling technology eliminates the need for pre-freezing, while the built-in compressor ensures continuous use. With features like motor protection, extended cooling, and a BPA-free churn blade, it's designed for convenience and durability. The sleek stainless steel design and easy-to-use LCD controls add a touch of sophistication to your kitchen, making dessert making a breeze. The Akveris 4.1 jar and bottle opener is a versatile kitchen tool designed to make life William English 1 easier. Ideal for seniors or individuals with arthritis, this opener effortlessly tackles jars, cans, and bottles with its ergonomic design and internal striped teeth for a firm grip. Made with durable stainless steel and plastic, it's lightweight, portable, and easy to use at home, parties, or outdoor gatherings. The Choxolo Watermelon Cutter Slicer is a must-have kitchen gadget for effortless and fun fruit preparation. This stainless steel tool transforms watermelon into perfectly sized cubes with just a simple glide, making summer snacking and salads a breeze. Its sturdy design features a solid handle and thick slicing lines for durability and precision. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for picnics, beach outings, or backyard parties. Dishwasher safe and BPA-free, the Zen Air Fridge Deodorizer is a powerful, natural solution for keeping your refrigerator fresh and odor-free. Made from activated bamboo charcoal, it effectively absorbs and neutralizes unwanted smells while trapping moisture to help keep produce fresh longer. This compact, easy-to-use deodorizer requires no setup or refills and lasts for months, offering a simple, eco-friendly alternative to baking soda. Its sleek design fits easily in any fridge or freezer. The MR Siga soap dispensing palm brush is a practical and durable kitchen tool designed for efficient cleaning. Its sturdy construction features non-scratch, odorless nylon bristles that tackle grease and grime effectively while being safe for non-stick cookware. The ergonomic design with a non-slip TPR-covered grip ensures comfort even when wet and soapy. This brush is easy to use, refillable with your favorite dish soap, and includes a replaceable brush head for extended use. It comes with a convenient non-skid holder that catches drips, keeping your countertop dry and tidy. The Out'N Nano Portable Espresso Machine is a compact and lightweight coffee maker designed for convenience on the go. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel and durable materials, it is easy to clean and maintain. With fast self-heating and high-pressure extraction, it delivers smooth espresso with a rich crema comparable to professional machines. This versatile brewer works with both ground coffee and capsules, offering simple, one-button operation. Equipped with a reliable battery and USB-C compatibility, it ensures consistent performance, making it perfect for camping, travel, or office use. Its insulated, leak-proof design adds to its practicality. The Senyu Automatic Electric Dumpling Press Maker is a user-friendly kitchen gadget designed to simplify dumpling preparation. Its automated features save time and effort, making it ideal for creating large batches of dumplings or other pastries with ease. This versatile machine ensures consistent, uniform results whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook. The Socket Pub Portable Range Hood is a versatile and compact solution for effective kitchen ventilation. Featuring a powerful 60-watt W motor and an adjustable head angle, it provides strong suction tailored to your cooking needs. Equipped with 10 reusable activated carbon filters, it efficiently removes smoke, odors, and impurities, keeping your space fresh and clean. Suitable for indoor and outdoor use, this range hood is perfect for kitchens, apartments, RVs, and even camping. Its lightweight design, portable handle, and easy-to-clean features make it practical and convenient. With noise reduction technology, it ensures quiet operation for a pleasant cooking experience. The Penny-on sliding pizza peel is a practical kitchen tool designed for effortless pizza preparation and serving. Made from high-quality bamboo, it provides excellent durability and heat resistance. Its non-stick surface ensures smooth transfers of pizzas, bread, and baked goods, making it ideal for both home and professional use. The detachable bamboo handle adds convenience, allowing for easy storage in tight spaces. The peel also includes a heat-resistant replacement cloth for enhanced performance and longevity. This upgraded model combines functionality and style, simplifying your pizza-making experience. The LifeWit rice dispenser is a durable and practical storage solution designed to hold up to 25 lbs of rice or other small grains. Made from food-safe material, it features a sealed design to keep contents fresh and protected from air and odors. With an easy-to-use button dispenser and transparent scales, it offers precise control and measurement. The included multi-purpose measuring cup doubles as a rice washer for added convenience. Its compact, stylish design fits neatly into any kitchen, providing efficient organization without taking up much space. The Doxa Shruki non-slip blade brush is a durable and practical cleaning tool made from sturdy ABS plastic for long-term use. Its unique wraparound design cleans both sides of utensils simultaneously, ensuring safety by keeping fingers away from sharp edges. Featuring strong dual bristles, it effectively removes tough dirt and grease from knives, forks, spoons, and more. The textured grip provides secure handling, while its compact design allows for easy drying and storage on a dish rack or basin edge. The Care & Kind adjustable measuring cup and spoon set is a versatile kitchen tool designed to simplify cooking and baking. This set includes a large and small adjustable cup, suitable for measuring both dry and liquid ingredients in imperial and metric units. Made from durable, food-safe material, the cups are heat-resistant and easy to clean. Their space-saving design features a sliding adjuster for precise measurements, a hanging hole, and a magnetic bottom for convenient storage. Perfect for efficient and accurate meal preparation. The Jawbush 3-in-1 Egg Slicer is a versatile kitchen tool with durable stainless steel blades for slicing hard-boiled eggs, soft fruits, mushrooms, or ham. It offers 3 slicing styles: halves, sixths, or slices, and features a compact, stackable design for easy storage. Made from sturdy ABS material, it's dishwasher safe and includes a cleaning brush for added convenience. Perfect for salads, egg recipes, and more. The Safirm wall-mounted 3-tier dish drying rack is a space-saving organizer made of durable rust-distancing steel. It accommodates up to 15 plates, 18 bowls, and additional utensils with its adjustable, detachable tiers. Featuring a knife holder, chopstick cage, and hooks, it's perfect for kitchen organization. Easy to install with detailed instructions, it also includes water trays for mess-free drying. Ideal for compact and efficient kitchen storage, the FYY food warming mat offers rapid and even heating with advanced graphene technology, perfect for gatherings and daily use. Made from durable, splash-proof silicone, it features 6 adjustable temperature settings and a timer for customized food warming. Compact and rollable, it's easy to store and transport, ideal for home or outdoor activities. Versatile in use, it also supports defrosting and dough fermentation, ensuring convenience and efficiency for your kitchen needs. The Cabilock 2 PCS steaming rack is a versatile microwave accessory designed for efficient cooking and organization. Made from food-grade plastic, it doubles the microwave's capacity by creating 2 layers, saving time and energy. It also functions as a food cover to prevent splatters and as a layered rack for organizing small items in the refrigerator or kitchen. The Youngden 3-in-1 kitchen waterfall faucet extender offers convenience and functionality with 3 adjustable water flow modes: boosted waterfall, strong spray, and splash-proof soft flow. Its 360 DG swivel design ensures easy, thorough cleaning for vegetables, fruits, and dishes. Crafted from durable brass and ABS material, it is rust-resistant and long-lasting. The built-in multi-layer impurity filters enhance water quality, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Compatible with M22 male thread faucets, it includes a universal adapter for versatile installation. The Doxzilla dumpling press mold set is a versatile and fun kitchen accessory for making dumplings, empanadas, ravioli, and more. This 8-piece set includes stainless steel molds, a filling spoon, and dough cutters, perfect for beginners and experienced cooks alike. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free 304 stainless steel, it ensures durability and safety. With easy-to-use molds, you can create beautifully shaped dumplings quickly and effortlessly. The set is dishwasher-safe for hassle-free cleaning, making it a must-have for family cooking and bonding. Elevate your kitchen experience with this essential dumpling-making kit. The Krugo 2025 upgraded multi-purpose wire dishwashing rags offer an efficient and durable solution for your kitchen cleaning needs. Made with advanced diamond-shaped lattice weaving and high-quality metal wire, these non-scratch rags are tough on stains but gentle on dishes, pots, and pans. Designed for durability, they are reusable and highly absorbent, making cleanup quick and easy. Their space-saving design allows for easy hanging and drainage after use. Ideal for cleaning dishes, countertops, grills, and more, these rags are a versatile and essential addition to your kitchen. Available in packs of 5, 10, or 15 for your convenience. The new Star Food Service Commercial Tomato Slicer is a durable, high-performance tool designed for fast and efficient food prep. Made with sturdy aluminum construction and razor-sharp stainless steel blades, it delivers consistent, uniform 1/4-inch slices every time. Its ergonomic design features vertical and horizontal handles for optimal cutting leverage and a built-in cutting board for convenience. Perfect for commercial kitchens or large-scale food prep, this slicer ensures precision and reliability. Available in multiple size options to suit your needs. The Frizago electric French fry cutter is a versatile, time-saving tool for home or commercial kitchens. With a powerful motor and continuous operation, it effortlessly slices vegetables into perfect fries, saving labor and increasing efficiency. It includes 2 durable stainless steel blades, 1/2-inch and 3/8-inch, and a custom tray for easy collection. Designed for simplicity, it features 1-button operation and anti-slip pads for stability. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to store and perfect for preparing potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more in various settings, from restaurants to home kitchens. The Chef and Garlic Zoom Garlic Chopper is a compact, user-friendly tool that saves time and keeps hands odor-free while mincing garlic. Simply load the chamber and roll to achieve your desired texture. More rolls for a fine mince, fewer for a coarser chop. Its improved design includes enhanced gearing, safer blade removal, and durable construction. Perfect for any kitchen, it's compact, dishwasher-safe, and a thoughtful gift for cooks of all skill levels. The Z-Design cereal dispenser is a practical and stylish solution for organizing your kitchen or pantry. With a 5L capacity, it's perfect for storing cereal, grains, nuts, oatmeal, pet food, and more. Designed with a non-crush dispensing outlet and easy-to-use lever, it ensures mess-free operation, even for kids. The wide opening allows for easy refilling, while the silicone sealing ring keeps contents fresh. This dispenser not only saves space, but also keeps your countertop tidy and visually appealing, making it an excellent choice for modern homes. The Kitchen Mama Epic One multi-function opener is a versatile and stylish tool designed to make opening bottles, jars, and cans effortless. With a streamlined ergonomic design and durable construction, it's perfect for those with weak hands or arthritis. This compact opener functions as a magnetic fridge accessory and features adjustable stainless steel plates for secure grip on various lids. Ideal for everyday use, camping, or BBQs, it's a thoughtful gift for kitchen gadget enthusiasts or anyone seeking convenience and style in their kitchen.